All right, let's talk about one of the biggest little annoyances in Windows 11. If you've been missing that old useful right-click menu, guess what? We're going to get it back. And the best part? It takes like a minute.
If you're using Windows 11, you know exactly what I'm talking about, right? You right-click something expecting to see all your options, and instead you get this simplified menu that isn't really simpler at all.
And that's the whole problem, isn't it? It hides all the good stuff behind that Show More Options button. So something that was one click for years is now 2 clicks every single time. It just slows you down.
I mean, just look at the difference here. On the left, the new menu. Kind of sparse. Then you look to the right, and there it is, the classic menu, with everything right where you expect it. That's what we're aiming for. Now, the good news is you don't have to install some weird third-party app or dig through a million settings. The fix for this is actually just one single magical line of code. And here it is. This is the magic command. Now, please don't try to type this out by hand. That's just asking for trouble. We've put the whole thing in the description below this explainer, so you can just copy it. This one line is all it takes to tell Windows, hey, give me my old menu back.
All right, you ready? Let's just knock this out together. I'm going to walk you through every single step. It's so fast, anyone can do this.
So, first things first, copy that command from the description. Got it? Okay, now go to your Start menu and just type CMD. You'll see command prompt pop up. Here's the important part. Right-click on it and make sure you pick Run as Administrator. Once that black window's open, all you have to do is right-click once inside it, that'll paste a command, and then just hit Enter.
And this is what you're looking for. You should immediately see the line, the operation completed successfully. If you see that, you're golden. It means the registry change worked perfectly.
So we've told Windows what to do, but it hasn't quite kicked in yet. There's just one final tiny step to actually see the results. You've got 2 choices here. Option 1, the easiest way, is to just restart your computer. But if you've got a bunch of stuff open and you don't want to close everything, there's a way faster method, just restarting Windows Explorer.
For that super quick method, just right-click on an empty part of your taskbar and open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, scroll down a bit until you find Windows Explorer. It's the one with the little yellow folder icon. Once you find it, just right-click on it and hit Restart.
Now, quick warning. When you do this, your screen might flash black for a second. Your taskbar and all your desktop icons will vanish and then pop right back. Don't worry, that is completely normal. It just means it's working.
And believe it or not, you're done. That's the entire process. So let's see the payoff for all your hard work. So go ahead, find any file or folder on your computer. Right-click it and
Boom, there it is. The full classic right-click menu back in all its glory. All your options right there. No more extra clicks, no more hunting for what you need. Sanity has been restored to your workflow.
You know, it's funny how sometimes trying to simplify something just makes it more complicated. And that leaves me with a final thought for you. What other modern software improvements do you wish you could undo with a single command?